This time, we are going to rescue stray farm animals, and we will return them to their respective cages. First, we have to choose which train do we need. Okay, to find lost farm animals, we will use this rescue train.
Rescue Red.
Before doing the rescue train have to clean first. Okay, now the train is clean. The next step, we'll make sure the train is ready for action. We will attach the bolts according to the color.
Blue. Red. Green. Yellow.
Are you ready for the rescue? Okay, let's go.
Hey!
There are 4 farm animals that we have to find. 2 ducks, 1 pig, and 1 sheep.
Okay, Rescue Red, we have some work to do. Go Rescue Red, go! Stop. Looks like we found something. It is a duck. Let's save him. Come on, ducks. Hop on this rescue train. Good job. Stay there and don't go anywhere. We'll find another friend of yours. Stop. Looks like we found something. Wow, that's a pig. Come on, pigs, jump into this rescue train. Good job. Stay there and don't go anywhere. We'll find another friend of yours. Stop. Looks like we found something. Is that the sheep we're looking for? Oh yes, that's the sheep we're looking for. Come on, sheep, jump over here. Good job. Stay there and don't go anywhere. There's still 1 farm animal we have to find. Don't worry, we'll find your missing friend. Go Rescue Red, go! Stop. Looks like we found something. Hi, duck. Is that your friend? Come on, ducks. Hop on this rescue train. Good job. Stay there and don't go anywhere. All found. Now, I will take you all back to your cage. Okay, we have arrived. Now go back to your cage. Duck, you're the first to get down there. Next, sheep, go down to your cage. Okay, Pig, here is your cage. Go jump. There is still one more duck. Jump, join your friends.
Good job, Rescue Red. But there are other farm animals to find and bring back here. They are 3 sheep and 1 duck. Go find them and bring them home.
Okay, Rescue Red. We still have one more job. Find lost farm animals and bring them back to their cages. Stop. Looks like we found something. That is 1 sheep. Come on, sheep. Jump over here. I'll bring you back home. Good job. Stay there and don't go anywhere. We'll find another friend of yours. Go, Rescue Red. Go! Stop. Looks like we found something. There is a pig on the rock there. Come on, pig. Jump over here. I'll bring you back home. There are still 2 more livestock animals. Let's find out. Stop. Looks like we found something. There's a sheep on the tree. Come on, sheep. Jump over here. Good job. Stay there and don't go anywhere. 1 more sheep we have to find. Go, Rescue Red. Go! Stop. Looks like we found something. Finally, we find the last lost sheep. Come on, sheep. Jump over here. Good job. Now I will bring you all home. Okay, we have arrived. Come on, the sheep. Come down and join your friends. Now, Pig, it's your turn to go down. The last sheep, go down and join with your friends. Mission has completed.
Thank you, Rescue Red. See you on the next mission.